Hi, in this video, I'll show you how course completion badges work and how to set them up in your academy. Badges are a gamification element that helps motivate your learners and makes learning more engaging and rewarding. To configure badges, go to Visual Settings, Badges. In this section, you can create a badge. You can add a title, description, upload your own image for the cover, or use one of our available templates. Customize the style to match your brand's identity. Badges in this section apply to all academies. Once you have configured a badge, it can be selected as a reward type to a course. In the course settings, open the Awards Settings tab and choose an award learners will receive upon completion, either a certificate or a badge, and select one of your templates. Save. All issued badges are displayed in the Statistics Awards section, which is available to your administrators. How learners see their badges. When a learner completes a course, the badge appears as a pop-up notification. All earned badges are displayed in the learner's profile under My Awards tab. Your learners can share in social media their badges or they can download them. I hope that helped and good luck with your academy.